Air fryers are everywhere right now, but not all of them actually cook evenly, heat fast, or last long. Today, we're taking a look at the Cosori 9-in-1 TurboBlaze Air Fryer, 6 quart, featuring precise heating, premium ceramic coating, and a massive 90 to 450 degree temperature range. Let's see if this one is really worth your money. Right out of the box, the Cosori TurboBlaze looks premium. The light gray finish gives it a clean, modern kitchen vibe, and the build feels solid and well designed. The 6-quart basket is spacious enough for family meals while still fitting comfortably on most countertops. One of the biggest highlights here is the 9-in-1 functionality. This air fryer isn't just for frying. You can air fry, roast, bake, broil, dehydrate, cook frozen foods, proof dough, reheat meals, and even keep food warm. That means fewer appliances in your kitchen and way more cooking options in one device. What really sets this air fryer apart is Cosori's TurboBlaze precise heating technology. With a temperature range from 90 degrees Fahrenheit all the way up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit, it delivers fast heat up times and even airflow. The result? Crispy food on the outside, juicy on the inside, without flipping or uneven cooking. From fries and chicken wings to vegetables and baked goods, the Cosori TurboBlaze handles it all beautifully. Foods cook evenly, come out golden and crisp, and don't feel dry or overcooked. It's especially great for busy households that want fast, consistent results every time. The premium ceramic coating is another big win. It's non-stick, scratch-resistant, and super easy to clean. No stubborn grease buildup, no harsh scrubbing. Just quick cleanup after cooking, which honestly makes daily use much more enjoyable. This air fryer is perfect for families, meal preppers, busy professionals, and anyone trying to eat healthier without giving up flavor. Whether you're air frying frozen foods or experimenting with baking and roasting, it adapts easily. So overall, the Cosori 9-in-1 TurboBlaze Air Fryer delivers powerful performance, versatility, and premium quality in one appliance. If you're looking for an air fryer that goes beyond basics and actually replaces multiple kitchen tools, this is a solid choice. Check the link in the description for the latest price, and if this video helped you out, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more honest product reviews. Thanks for watching.